He got power, man, you ain't never seen it like this. Power, man, words make the world exist. He got power, man, he can turn your situation to joy. I seen him do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I seen the Lord do a lot of things in my day. Time after time, he blows my mind and builds my faith. I like to read and to see what he's done in the past. He can do in the present if his people would ask. I've seen him shut a whole strip down, full of strip clubs. Now dude is a Christian now. Wow, now that's power like you never seen. How he dug in that man and made his soul clean. I've even seen him heal a broken home. Couple couldn't get along. Now you be like, get him wrong. Man, I'm so impressed with his slate. I wanna trust him more and more and strengthen my faith. Yes, I hope you know it's true. All power's in God's hands. What can't you make it through? The proof is the God man. Nobody took his life, but Jesus, he laid it down. And 3 days later, yes, he popped out of the ground. He got power, man. You ain't never seen it like this. Power, man.